Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the 1953 verifying an alien dictionary. So look at this question. You're given input, it's a words, it is a string array, and also you're given the string. So all you gotta do, you know there are some aliens, they speak something similar to us English, but they are in a very different order. Dictionary order, such as we want A B C D F G and then from A to Z. But look at this, H L A B C and X Y Z. So and also you need to consider whether they have a correct order. So given a sequence order, words reading alien language and the order of the alphabet, return true if and only if the given words are solely lexicographically in this alien language. So I will demonstrate something about that. For example one, so the order is HLAB blah 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 and then XYZ. So look at the words list, words array, hello and Leetcode. So the first word it is H of the first letter and the second is L. So if we say that H is before L, so it is all right. And then look at the second example, word and the word, the letter word and the hello word. So these three are the same, but then we need to compare D and L, because in this dictionary, H, L, A, B, C, D, so H is before D. So, oh no, actually, oh sorry, this one, D comes after L. So because D comes after L, but D in word is come before the hello world word L. So this is false. And in the third one, because although APP, these three letters are the same, but letter L, but Apple is have more letters. This should be appear in the actually in the later of app. So this is false. Okay, so here we go. We need something like a dictionary to actually in this we have 26 letters such A, B, C, D, F, G, and then Z. But in this alien language, they also have 26. So from 0 to 25, in total 26 letters, and we're gonna store it here. So what we gonna choose? Hash map is a very good choice. And in the key, we store the characters, whatever the you should follow the given order, and this is to store the index 0, 1, 2, 3, and then to 25 to 26 index. So all right, and this is our initialize something. We need to initialize such kind of dictionary, and we will choose hash maps to do that, because hash map has only O constant time, O1 complexity, time complexity to get and to put. So that's a pretty good idea for us. And then we need to think about how we can compare. Actually, we can use a compare help function, and then we need to return true if only two words S1, S2, these two strings, they follow the symbol. S1 is smaller than S2, then it will be good. And I will put this in a for loop, and it will iterate through about if n is the length of the word, so it will iterate through n minus 1 times, such as from I, compare I and I plus 1, and then I is from 0 to less minus 1, less than minus 1. So here we go, we're going to implement our code. So firstly, I need to make a actually character, all right, CGI character and integer map is new hash map. Then we need to initialize this step. This is map. So words dot length No, actually, it is order. This. What's going on? Okay, it's good. And then we need to put, map.put. We need to initialize. So let's start try at order. This is what we initialize this dictionary. I, and then we put I to that. And then we need to iterate through n-1 time int I is 0, I less than words dot length and I plus plus. And then we need to check if if not check. So what we're gonna do with this check function, we need s1 and actually we need to check words I and words I plus 1, and then we need to use this map according to this map function. If it is not, that we need return false, and if it is great, we should return true. So how can we define that kind of function? All right, this is a private one, private foreign, because they will return either false or true. So check. Actually, it needs a string s1, string s2, and a hash map actually. So here we go. Then we need to, if we need a while loop, while s1, actually, is that right? I think it is correct. I is 0, j is 0, n1 is actually s1 dot length, and s2 n2 is s2 dot length. Right, so well, we need a while loop. I is smaller than n1 and g is smaller than n2. In this situation, we're gonna continue. So we need to compare if s1 map.get, actually we need to compare the index s1 dot char at I. If this one is smaller, smaller than map.get s2 dot char at j, and in this situation we're gonna return true, because when you compare first or the second letter, you just need to compare the first sum of the letters, so that will be good. And then else if, such as so we need just to copy this code, and we'll put it here, only to change the less than to bigger than. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, so we're gonna do with this, of course, return false. Finally, if none of them, they have the same letter, we just need to go and skip. All right, and finally what we're gonna do, we need to return if such in this example 3, Apple app, they have the same, so they will return else ij, and then I and g will all be 0, 1, 2. 2 stay in the letter p and the second letter p. So, and then because the length of apple is bigger than that, so we will return true. So we need to return a statement that is that right? Yeah, that's right. Oh man, we need to copy that. We need to sign in. There must be someone sign out. So, okay, what is the question? 953. 953. Oh, we just missed the, what happened? 920. LCF actually. So line 8, index out of bounds. Oh, this is should be -1. I just mentioned that, all right? Okay, let's go and see if it accepted. Yeah, accepted. Pretty cool. And maybe we do it again. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, that's very good. We did good, hell of a job. So, okay, thanks for watching, and I hope you can understand that. I appreciate if you could subscribe me. I'll see you next time. Oh, wait, time complexity. Oh, man. Fuck. Time complexity, as for this one, is, own time complexity. That's obvious, right? I mean, linear, but actually in this one, we also own, actually, okay, I'll write down. Time complexity is O. We need check actually with O. Yeah, it's constant time. No, linear. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Thanks for watching. Appreciate if you subscribe me. Goodbye.